Sexy.
But it's a, so I should...
Okay.
You know what?
Yeah. But...
Okay.
That's what I got to say about this.
I guess the farmer's daughter has not been obeying the lockdown rules because it's time to change the oil in her truck. And it only took her 6 months to get to that point. I just changed the oil in my 2018 Ram last week, and it took me over a year to get to the first oil change. But yeah, only 6 months for her. I'm hoping this one is a little bit easier. I did not do any video of changing the oil in my Ram, in my 2018 Ram, but that filter was difficult to get to. And the other thing I realized, I've got to do some checking on this. I normally get my filters from Napa for my vehicles. I got a fuel filter for my Cummins 6.7 liter diesel. Holy cow! $88 at Napa for that filter. That seems a bit unreasonable, so I'm gonna call the Dodge dealership, Ram dealership, whatever the hell they're called, and get a price from them. $88 for a fuel filter? I don't think I've paid $88 for a John Deere fuel filter for my tractors. I couldn't believe that. But anyway, let's get the oil changed in the farmer's daughter's truck here. Let's see how easy it is. We'll see how this goes. It is suggested to use synthetic oil. The light's not going to allow you to see that. Anyhow, we've got the Pennzoil Platinum synthetic oil with a Napa oil filter. My daughter was a bit shocked as well over the price of the oil and the filter. 6 quarts is not enough for this truck. She actually needs 7 quarts. I thought 6 was going to be enough. That's what I told her to get. I think $12 a quart for this stuff. She was just going to get the cheap stuff at the hardware store. It was on sale this month. I said, no, you better go with the good stuff. So she's got that. We were not stocking this because we could not get it, but we can get it now. So her next oil change should be a little bit cheaper because I think she knows the manager at the hardware store and should be able to get a discount on her oil for the next oil change. So let's get her done. Safety first, boys and girls. What is this called now? PPE, personal protective equipment. Oh, all these new terms we have learned in the last 6 months. Oh my goodness, I think I already got a hole in it. But yeah, so safety first. I have my PPE on, ready to go. Okay, how long has the gas engine been out? How long have we been changing oil in engines? And you see this? Here's the drain plug for the oil. When I open this up, it's initially going to drain down into the pan, but when we get to the last quart, what's it going to do? It's going to hit this crossbar here, and then it's going to spread and go everywhere. Come on, this is ridiculous. Why can't the designers and engineers do better at this? I don't think designers and engineers get their hands dirty and actually work on a vehicle. This is in 2020 we should not have this, but we do, so here it goes. there it goes, hitting the cross member. Going everywhere. Look at that. Look at that. Splashing everywhere. I'm not wearing these clothes to church. Okay, now for the oil filter. This one is a little easier to get to, right up there. But again, if there's any oil in the lines, it's going to drip down all over this and go everywhere. Nope, I'm not going to be that lucky. I cannot get this oil filter. What do you don't call it a socket, but not using that. Man, come on now. Okay, you saw that, didn't you? There's not enough room to pull that filter straight down out of here because of the wiring here and this boot here. So you have to tilt it and then oil goes everywhere. Come on, people. Let's get this right. It's not difficult. Oh, wow. It's not easy to reach back here for the oil filler. What the hell? This is a stretch from the front of the truck here back here. Now, I don't know if you can see me stretching, but wow. right, let's go ahead and fill the washer fluid while we're here. Oh wow, I guess it didn't need much. Oh man, I got oil all over my camera and my stick. That's what she said. Okay, I'm disappointed in changing the oil. Something this simple was made difficult. So 2019 Ram, what is this, the 5th generation, the newest generation? I give it a D for ease of changing the oil. The previous vehicle my daughter owned, the Chrysler 200, that was a piece of cake. I was very impressed with that. My wife's Cadillac XTS, that's another one that's easy to change the oil in, but this one and my 2018 Ram with the Cummins diesel, I think my Ram gets, I will give that one a C+. The filter is difficult there. The oil drains okay, but it's the filter on that one. Come on, engineers, go in the field and get your hands dirty and do some of the maintenance on these trucks, and then go back to the drawing board and come up with a new plan. It can't be that difficult. Okay, what have I got now? Oh, yeah, I've got to change the oil in my international dump truck. I guess that's the next thing. That one's pretty easy. You can get to everything fairly easy on that. So, let me take this back up to my daughter, and then I'll jump on the next project. I need just a couple of inches to get my bucket under the oil pan, so this should do it. Okay, there we go. That's how I change the oil in this truck. Don't know how you do it, but that's the way I do it, so it's got to be right. Yeah. All right, until next time, see ya.